Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a never.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? Y'all been seeing on y'all timeline, and so have I. It's been all over my For You page, that 2016 makeup look. When I say I had to dig through the makeup kit to find my oldies, but babes, 2016 was that girl. That's all I'm gonna say. So we're gonna be trying out an old school look. We had to listen. In 2016, that's when I was doing the cut crease, the glitter, everything, the whole nine. So if you like 2016 makeup and you want to see how I used to do my 2016 makeup, this is the video for you. This is the look we're going for. I'm obsessed. Like, I think we're about to go back to 2016 on this, and I don't know, even the music I was playing was just giving me the vibes I was looking for. So if you are interested in seeing how we achieve this look and you just want to laugh and crack up with me in this video, then keep watching. Before we get into this 2016 makeup, y'all know what I gotta do. I need to put a 2016 music playlist so I can just get into the vibe. You know what I'm saying? Just get into the vibe. I don't know why everyone's favorite year is 2016. Oh my god, let me see. What do they have? I knew it! One Dance by Drake is so 2016. So 2016. That's the flower head filter, the doggy filter on Snapchat. Yeah, girl. Let me stop playing. Let's go ahead and get into the makeup tutorial, period. All right, I know we loved our pomade back in 2016, but y'all cannot tell me y'all was not using them thick eyebrow pencils to do your eyebrows. I feel like everyone that's recreating the 2016 makeup look keeps grabbing the Anastasia Beverly Hills, which yes, I used to use that, but babes, we also use the pencil. So I'm doing it for the girls that was using the pencil, okay? So today we're just gonna be doing some thick brows, girls. Some thick brows. This was already like so hard for me, and I feel like I was slowly realizing what I was getting myself into. You know, in 2016 you had to have the thick, dark, blocky. I was like, that's just how it was. Yeah, I was looking crazy. This is when I realized, yeah, we're in 2016 now. We are in 2016, my girl, period. So now I feel like I barely even did this, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab a spoolie and brush through these brows. They looking real thick, real juicy. It's looking like me, period. We're gonna go ahead and fill this girl out. Y'all, I was turning up to that 2016 playlist. Hold on. That boy is a real pussy pleaser. Anyways, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and conceal our eyebrows. Now, back in 2016, y'all know those brows were definitely giving halo. That concealer was definitely too light. And how I used to do my makeup back then, I would use the same concealer that I use at the bottom on the top, and now I switch it up. I use foundation at the top. But you know, back in the day, baby, it was giving very much, let me see your halo. Somebody play Beyonce, because the halo brows are in full effect right now. And it was not an eyebrow look if I did not take my concealer and put it in between, just so I didn't have that unibrow. Oh my god, literally back in high school, I feel like everybody would like connect their brow to make sure it was even, and then just put concealer to separate it. What were we thinking? I could not be the only girl that did this. But anyways, you know, we had to pull out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This is so 2016. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyes. I still do it now. I always use concealer as a base. I've never had a traditional eyeshadow base. We're gonna go ahead and put a little concealer on them eyelids, and we're gonna go ahead and grab that Anastasia Beverly Hills, period. Okay, warm tones only. That's what I was saying in the video, y'all. I only use warm tones. We only use warm tones, okay? So the first shade we're dipping into is that burnt orange. You guys used to hear that in every YouTube tutorial in 2016. Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and we're gonna start with the color burnt orange as our transition shade. That was literally what I used to always hear. After burnt orange, we're gonna go ahead and deepen everything up with sienna. Oh my god, this is literally bringing back so much memories because this is literally how I used to do my makeup. Oh my god. But we're gonna go ahead and take sienna and put that into our crease and deepen it up. Then we're gonna really pack a punch with that Cyrus Umber. Cyrus Umber was that girl. We're gonna deepen everything up, give it a little bit more depth, a little bit more 3D effect. Okay, period. It's only right that we do a cut crease. So we're gonna put concealer, look up to the ceiling. I used to do this in every YouTube tutorial. I'm gonna look up to the ceiling so I can do that like transfer. And now we're just gonna cut. It is not 2016 if you was not pulling out all your hacks, your tricks out your bag. Like, put your cards on the table in 2016. You had to show your makeup skills. You just had to, like, every day. You know how to blend. How you do your cut crease, how you play with color. Like, that is just so 2016. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and cut the crease. Super simple. I used to love cutting my crease. I was a big fan of the half cut creases, never too much of the full one. So we're doing a half cut crease today, and we're just going to blend her out. Then we're gonna go ahead and take Tempura, and that's like a really light cream shade. We're gonna go ahead and just put that on all over the lid to kind of like set that, you know, crease that we just cut. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with Fairy. This is kind of like a newer technique. I feel like I started doing this in like 2018. But because we're going to be using a glitter, we're going to put like a shimmer before we put the glitter so everything can kind of flow a little bit better. And yeah, this is the time I was doing my bold wing liners. Like, I was practicing my wing liners when I was in middle school. So around like 2013, 2012, 2014, I was practicing my wing liners like crazy, and they was looking crazy. They was shaky. But in 2016, baby, my wing liners did not come to play. 7 a.m. in that bathroom before school started. I am giving you bold cat eyes. Oh my god. This is absolutely crazy. So now we're gonna go ahead and get ready for some glitter. Right now I'm just putting the eyelash glue all over the lid, because you know, if it's not giving bold glam, is it giving 2016? Like, huh? So I'm gonna go ahead and take a thick, chunky gold glitter, like I'm going to prom, like I'm going to homecoming, and we're gonna put that all over the lid, period. This is just a regular Tuesday in 2016 for me, period. But anyways, y'all, I was having so much fun making this video. Like, there was just something about playing that 2016 playlist. Like, sorry y'all, somebody text my phone. But if y'all have like Apple Music, just type in 2016 playlist. It is just such a vibe. Y'all are just going to be in such a nostalgic vibe. Like, it's just crazy. But anyways, I'm putting black liner on my waterline, and then we're gonna take some thick lashes. Y'all know, look at the lash curler. What? I had to pull this out from nowhere. Eyelash curlers, nobody has that anymore. Girl, I had to curl these dramatic lashes. You know, the lashes had to be fluffy and big and dramatic. Nothing natural about this, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and pop these big Dracos on. The face is very much giving. We're gonna jump right into skin prep. Now, back in 2016, I'm gonna tell you the truth, I did not skin prep. I jumped right into the foundation. Let's go, let's get it. But as an older, more mature girl, we did our skin prep. I'm gonna be using my Juvias Place foundation. This is not something that I think I used in 2016. In 2016, my first foundation was actually True Match. But this is what I had. This was something I was using around 2017, 2018. But that's why it's so skinny, because I had it a long time ago. And I love this foundation. But I'm going to go ahead and just use this to give me that, like, matte look. That's just something that I feel like I always was doing in 2016. I was always doing matte, dramatic, bold, full face, like full glam, full. We ain't holding back. I was kind of holding back because my foundation was running out, but full glam. So we're just gonna go ahead and just blend this into the skin. Now, I don't remember what I used to blend with. I think I used to use sponges. I don't know. But anyways, we're gonna blend. Now for concealer, you know, the big triangle. Big. You gotta just highlight like you're crazy. Like what are you, girl, you're only, I was 16 in 2016. What were you concealing? Nothing. You wasn't sleepy or nothing. But baby, you know, we had to do the full coverage concealer, the full shebang. Sorry, y'all. Somebody keep texting me. Don't hate me, y'all. I don't know how to mute my iPad. If y'all watch my last vlog, I literally was saying like, hey Siri, go on mute. And like, she just would not do it. Like, she would just keep ringing. So don't kill me, y'all. But anyways, we're just gonna go ahead and blend this concealer out. I'm not gonna lie, 2016 is that girl. Like, I was low-key feeling this look. Like, once I did my makeup, I started like, I was like, okay, I'm actually gonna bring this technique back and this technique back, because it just eats. And I'm gonna be real with y'all, what I love about 2016 is like, we was just doing it. We was showing every trick, everything that was under that sleeve in our makeup bag. We was pulling out the tricks, because now everything is just so soft and natural and soft glam and soft life. Like, no, like, have fun. I feel like 2016 was just such a fun year with the makeup. Like, even if you made a mistake, it was like, okay, like, I don't know. I love that. But anyways, we're just setting. I'm using my one size setting powder to set my face. This is actually something I used to use back in the day as well. This is that Black Radiance. If y'all are ever bored, I want y'all to go back to my old YouTube videos. Check out my old makeup tutorials. Girl, I really used to use this and I love it. And when I used it today, I haven't used it in forever, I was like, see, I think I'm gonna start pulling her out. This shade is just elite. Look at that color. Like, that color is just so gorgeous. It's so bronzy. Like, she's coming with me in 2024 and 2025. Y'all, I was so sad because I could not use no blush. What? No blush? I did not touch blush in 2016. Did not. Like, now I love blush, but before I hated it. I'm so sad I could not use blush. It was real hard for me. I was fighting myself to not put a little bit of blush. But we're gonna go ahead and line the lips with a brown liner. And you know we had to do a matte lip, because what is 2016 without matte? Like, matte is just equivalent to 2016. So anyways, we're gonna dust the face down, dust her down, making sure everything is looking 2T right now. Everything is looking snatched. Everything looks so good. 2016 is that girl. But you know what I was forgetting? That highlighter. You could not tell me nothing. Let me tell you something. I saved up my coins to get that $40 Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I had to get it. I had to get it. So I pulled her out. They actually sell them at Marshall's now, but I pulled her out, and now we are just highlighting. We're highlighting our nose, under our eyebrows, our foreheads, our chins, our cheekbones, girl, everywhere. I did not play with that highlighter. Like, everywhere was gonna get hit. Period. Y'all cannot tell me this look is not eating. 2016, hello. Oh my god, this looks so freaking good. Please like this video if you are liking this look, because I'm loving it. Then I'm just sitting with my Milani setting spray. Y'all, this video is just so fun to make. Why am I all the way in 2016? I am literally on Snapchat right now. Y'all, I'm about to go have a blast with this right now. I'm gonna see y'all in a second. All right, my love, so that's the end of today's video. We are all the way in 2016 right now. One Dance is playing, the flower filter is on, the dog filter is on from Snapchat. Yeah, Snapchat streaks. I know y'all remember that. But anyways, this look was so fun. I had so much fun making this look. Like, I think I'm gonna bring a little sprinkle of 2016 back into these makeup looks, because right now we're too much in this soft girl, clean girl era. Like, let me see what that brush could do. Let me see what you know how to do with that brush. Let me see if you know how to cut that crease. Yeah, I'm tired of these little freckles, okay? So this is the look that we went for, and I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed with it. I hope you guys like it. If you guys recreate your old 2016 looks, make sure you guys send it to my Instagram. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. Actually, follow me on TikTok and Instagram so you guys can keep up with me. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's pretty much it. I love you guys so freaking much. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below this secret emoji. That's how I know you're locked in and you watch my videos all the way through. Make sure you guys join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to my channel. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.